Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid. We are back again with another video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically in today's video we will also tell you about Fiverr, low competition gigs on Fiverr, like how to uh, make your Fiverr successful and how to earn a lot of revenue from Fiverr. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Technical Ubed, then please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for further updates. So basically, first of all, we simply need to come here on Fiverr and open our buying mode. On buying mode, we can see many services available here. We simply need to put one of our favorite service. Like now I am opening AI services. So now you can see that here we have too much AI services available here, like AI applications, AI integrations, AI chatbot, AI agents, AI fine tuning, custom GPT apps, data science and ML, data analytics, data visualization, Midjourney artists, DALL-E artists, Stable Diffusion artists, all AI art service, AI consulting, AI strategy, AI lessons, AI music videos, AI video art, AI spokespersons videos, voice synthesis and AI text to speech, AI content editing, custom writing prompts, and all in AI services. Custom writing prompts is the new service which is recently added on Fiverr. Also, AI strategy and AI lessons are new services, and custom GPT apps are also new services on Fiverr. Like on these services, the number of sellers are in very low quantity, and if you make your gig on these hashtags, then hopefully you will definitely go viral in very low time, and you can make your Fiverr successful easily. So like in AI applications, we have many sellers. The first seller is um, starting his package from $90, and the second seller is asking that he will build AI auto blogging WordPress site with 1000 AI articles by OpenAI ChatGPT 4. And another service is that create custom GPT with advanced actions. And we have another pro service on Fiverr that which is offering that he will develop AI software for business with OpenAI GPT 4. And we have a service with Fiverr choice, do your chat GPT project. So like you can see that the pro seller is offering his service in $590. So all kind of freelancing services are available on Fiverr, and you can sell these services in very high budget. So this is our today's tutorial. So if you like it, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much.